Good morning students. Today we will make to learn capital and small letter S and T. S for socks. Okay? हम इसमें S बनाने के लिए 2 steps follow करेंगे. Trace your pencil on this dot. Slowly go upward. In this way. Join all these dots. Take slightly curve. In this way, यहाँ तक पेंसिल लाइए और यहाँ से अंदर की तरफ टर्न होते हुए एक आपको सर्कल बनाना है और इस तरह से ये डॉट्स को जॉइन करना है. ओके. Now let's see here. Trace your pencil on green line. Slowly go upward up to red line. Take slightly curve. Downward up to green line and make a half circle. Okay. ये हमारा स्मॉल एस फॉर स्नेक. फॉर मेकिंग एस स्मॉल एस we will follow 4 steps. Okay. Trace your pencil on this dot. Go upward in this way. Okay. In second step, trace your pencil here. Take slightly curve. Make half circle in this way. Again trace your pencil here. Next trace your pencil here on this dot and go upward with slightly curve. Okay. Look here again. Trace your pencil on green line. Go upward up to green line. Make small curve, small circle. Come downward up to green line. In this way. इस तरह से ही हमारा स्मॉल एस बनेगा. लेट्स सी अगेन. ओके. कैपिटल एस इन 3 लाइंस के बीच में बना था, लेकिन स्मॉल एस इन 2 लाइंस के बीच में बनेगा. नेक्स्ट इज कैपिटल टी. टी फॉर टाइगर. ओके. वी विल फॉलो 2 steps for making T. Trace your pencil on this dot. Make curve line in this way. Join all these dots. Again trace your pencil here. Slowly come downward in this way. Okay, let's see here. Trace your pencil on this dot. Make a curve line. Come downward up to green line. Make a curve. ये हमारा कैपिटल T. Now next is small t. T for tomato. We will follow again 3 steps. Okay. Trace your pencil on this dot. Go upward. In second step, trace your pencil here. Come downward in this way and take slightly curve and join all these dots. In third step, trace your pencil here and make a slipping line on these dots. इन dots को आपको join करना है. Let's see here. Trace your pencil on green line. Go upward up to red line. Come downward and take slightly curve in this way. और एक बीच में छोटी सी स्लिपिंग लाइन बनानी है. ओके. लेट्स सी अगेन. ओके, ये हमारा स्मॉल टी। नाउ टाइम फॉर राइम, सो टेक आउट योर राइम बुक, शो द पेज नंबर 7। ट्रैफिक लाइट, यस देखिए ना ट्रैफिक लाइट रोड पे आपने। रेड लाइट व्हाट डू यू से? I say stop, stop right away. Yellow light, what do you say? I say wait, look each way. Green light, what do you say? I say go right away. Again, red light, what do you say? I say stop right away. Yellow light, what do you say? I say wait, look each way. Green light, what do you say? I say go right away. Okay, now our class is wind up. Hare Krishna.